Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see what is protocol. In computer networks, communication, that is exchange of information, occurs between two entities in different systems, that is between sender and the receiver, and that entity can be anything which is capable of sending or receiving the information, either your computer system, your mobile phone, or any type of electronic gadget. However, these two entities, that is sender and receiver, cannot simply send bit stream to each other and expect to be understood. That is, whatever the data that sender is sending to receiver, that data must be understood, must be agreed by this receiver. Means whatever the norms, these norms must be agreed by this sender and the receiver. And that norms, that is set of rules that govern the entire data communication, is known as protocol. So we can say protocol defines what is communicated, how it is communicated, and when it is communicated. And these three things are also known as key elements of protocol, that is syntax, semantics, and the timing. Let's see all this one by one. What is syntax? Syntax refers to structure or format of data, that is order in which they are presented. Means in which structure you are presenting the data. For example, a simple protocol might expect the first 8 bits of data to be the address of the sender and the second 8 bits to be address of the receiver and rest of the stream to be message itself, that is data. So this type of syntax at sender side must be same as the syntax at receiver side. That is the syntax. Means that structure should be agreed by both the parties, that is by the sender and by the receiver. Then next one is the semantics. It refers to meaning of each section of bits, that is it represents how is particular pattern to be interpreted and what action is to be taken based on that interpretation. For example, does an address identify the route to be taken or the final destination of the message? Means whatever the address is there in the format, so it interprets that whether it is the address of destination or whether it is address of next node on the route. Last one is the timing. It refers to two characteristics. First is when data should be sent, and second, how fast they can be sent. For example, if sender produces data at 100 Mbps but receiver can process data only at 1 Mbps, the transmission will overload the receiver and some data will be lost. To avoid this, sender's timing and receiving timings must be synchronized. So this type of overloading, that is data overflow, will not happen. Means when there is a proper synchronization between sender's frequency and the receiver frequency, then proper transmission will be happen. So that is about the protocol and its key elements. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, stay connected here with the channel. Like, share and subscribe.